Buyers, pay attention to the roof, HVAC, plumbing, and electrical. Hi, I'm Don with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services PenFed Realty with your 60-second real estate tip. If those systems are outdated, they start calculating future costs, and that usually means lower offers. It's not just buyers either. Older systems can also impact the appraisal, which can reduce value and even create financing issues. Here's how to maximize your value before you sell. First, provide maintenance records. This shows buyers the home has been well cared for. Second, consider replacing systems that are near the end of their life. Even one update can make a big difference. Third, offer a home warranty. This gives buyers confidence and reduces their perceived risk. These simple steps can help your home sell faster and for more money. If you're thinking about selling and want to know what buyers really notice in your home, reach out. I'd be happy to help you prepare before you list. If you like this 60-second real estate tip, make sure you click like and subscribe below. And as always, ask an agent.